Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant. The next big productivity advancement in engineering. Designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge is your engineering virtual assistant built around SolidWorks. Global Edge helps your engineering team significantly increase productivity. Global Edge Engineering Assistant automates labor-intensive engineering workflow tasks associated with the quoting, engineering, and manufacturing workflow process. This includes manufacturability testing of your sheet metal CAD parts before they leave engineering to help eliminate shop floor rework. This also includes the facilitating of automated programming of press brakes, panel benders, and robotic folders. This can be accomplished in 4 simple and practical steps. Step 1 starts with the automated analysis of your sheet metal CAD parts. Automated CAD model analysis is the process of automatically analyzing and extracting complete part parameters from your sheet metal CAD models. This includes the importation of 48 CAD part parameters, which includes size, shape, and material to drive quoting, routing generation, manufacturability testing, and bend program generation. This includes material, thickness, and bend radius, blank, flat length, and width, number of cutouts, holes, and the various sizes of cutouts and holes, minimum and maximum bend length, minimum and maximum bend angle, minimum and maximum flange width, minimum PEM hole to bend line gap, minimum embossment to bend line gap, minimum louver to bend line gap, maximum up and down bends, fold, hem, and extrude counts, minimum taper and die cut to bend line gap. This process saves significant time by eliminating the manual analysis of your CAD parts. Step 2 includes manufacturability testing of your sheet metal parts before they leave engineering. Manufacturability testing is the automatic testing of your sheet metal CAD parts with your machine tool bend processes to determine if they can be successfully fabricated before leaving engineering. This process includes identifying all the entities contained within a sheet metal part and storing this information in the Global Edge database. This entity data is then compared with the matching bend process. As the comparisons are calculated by the Global Edge software, results are generated to determine if the part can be successfully fabricated with your bending machine tools. Global Edge will identify part fabrication errors, such as PEM holes too close to bend line, maximum bend tonnage greater than bend process allows, part too big for bend process, bend angle exceeds maximum allowed, embossment too close to bend line, bend length shorter than minimum allowed. Manufacturability testing helps eliminate shop floor rework, and can help your company save thousands of dollars by heading off mistakes before reaching the shop floor. Step 3 provides the automatic batch generation of DXF flat files from your SolidWorks sheet metal parts. Automated sheet metal batch unfolding automatically generates DXF flat files sorted by material, thickness, bend radius, and optionally by job required date. This includes the automated unfolding of either a single or large batch of SolidWorks sheet metal parts to generate DXF flat files, sorted by material, thickness, and optionally including by job date and cutting method. This also includes the addition of extended data to the DXF flat files to facilitate automatic bend program generation. Step 4, the final step, is the automated preparation of shop floor data for bend programming, nestings, and scheduling. Automated shop floor data preparation provides advanced workflow automation capabilities to automatically prepare information for the shop floor. This starts with the automated preparation of extended data DXF flat files to facilitate automated bent program generation. This includes processing small or large batches of sheet metal parts and embedding the proper extended data into each DXF flat file. This starts with the proper material thickness, the standard bend process that matches the parameters of each sheet metal part. This also includes the tooling based on the matching standard bend process. Global Edge provides the capability to store your standard bend processes and automatically translate this information to drive your CAM bending software. This includes each of your press brakes, panel benders, and robotic folders. Global Edge includes an automated work queue that automatically processes your daily production information. This includes the automatic importation of CAD part parameters, and the automatic generation of DXF flat files. Global Edge optionally generates routing steps, based on CAD part parameters. This information is automatically added to the DXF flat file as extended data that can be utilized by your CAM bending, nesting, and scheduling software. All this information is formatted and prepared for the shop floor. Global Edge adds properly formatted extended data to the DXF flat files to facilitate automated bend program generation. DXF flat files are provided to the nesting software, including optional adjustments to bend radius and K factors. Global Edge supplies your scheduling software with optimal routing steps to aid in the scheduling process. Global Edge provides the shop floor with accurate and timely information. Global Edge is proven software technology that can save your company thousands of engineering hours each year while providing your shop floor with accurate and timely information. The Global Edge Engineering Assistant has been successfully implemented at small, medium, and large-scale manufacturing operations and has saved them thousands of engineering hours each year. This includes Cooper Power Systems, which achieved significant success with the Global Edge Engineering Assistant. To schedule a demonstration, and receive software pricing, and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity, and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.